Hello viewers, welcome to Engineering Study Materials. Today we are going to discuss about the part delivery system in a station. So there are 5 major components in this part delivery system. They are hopper, part feeder, feed track, assembly workhead and escapement and placement. So these are all the important parts or devices that make the part delivery system an effective way. So what are the features of the parts? Hopper, used to collect the parts from the containers or the assembly stations, and part feeder removes the parts from hopper. So if your parts are placed in the hopper or put it on the hopper, it will stuck inside it. So part feeder plays an important role to take the parts from the hopper and then moves into a selector. So selector, or called as an orientor, is a device that used to make sure the correct parts are coming out from the selector, because consider the two variety of parts, that is a square shape and a hexagon shape. The selector is used to select only the square shaped parts and not the hexagonal shaped parts, that is the damaged parts of the square shaped. So its role is to ensure that only square shaped parts should come out of the selector. And next it goes to the feed track. Feed track is used to move the parts to the assembly workhead, because some of the parts may stuck on the feed line so that it cannot move to the next station. So that feed track is used to move the part into the assembly workhead. In the assembly workhead, the parts can be assembled so that it can be go to the next station. Finally, escapement and placement device. It is a device used to remove the parts from the feed track and place them at a station. This is an essential part. Escapement and placement device removes the parts from the feed track and place them at a station, that is the working station. In this station, the assembly operations are done. So these are the 5 major parts for doing the part delivery system, that is hopper, part feeder, feed track, escapement and placement, and work carrier. So this is a short video, friends. If you like this video, put a thumbs up and share this video to your friends to gain knowledge, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. So thank you for watching.